Alright guys, back here with another video. This is RodTheDrawer, and today I will be telling you about the content change and pretty much how my channel's gonna change a little bit. So now I'm thinking about doing vlogs now, art vlogs of course. I'm not going stop anything that I already doing now. It's just gonna be more and more projects together because I'm kind of all over the place. And when I say that, I'm doing like digital art, actual art, sculpting, crafting, all that kind of stuff together, and I'm going to bring you with me. So that's going to be the content change. I hope you like it. Let me know, and let's get back to it. Back here with another video. This is RodTheDrawer, and today I will be getting into another drawing, which today I want to be a little creative and a little different. So I'm planning on doing like some type of anime drawing, something like that today. And yeah, I'm kind of excited about it because I haven't drew like that or painted anything. But no, I'm gonna use color. I think I'm gonna use markers this time because I haven't used that in a minute. So I'm gonna use the markers, alcohol based. Yeah, now we're gonna eat some ice cream, so let's go. So guys, I decided I didn't want ice cream anymore, so we're back at the studio. And if you haven't been on this channel, check this out. This is literally a tabletop I did like probably last Christmas maybe. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's one of the doodles I thought of. Alright guys. No tire, still face work, but yeah, let's get into it. Now it is time to head to the studio. Let's get it. Alright guys, so now I have one project here, which is, okay guys, I have one project here, which is my first digital art, which is for a company called CEO. This is my first art piece that's digital. I'm still working on it. I'm still working on the face, don't mind that. But yeah, first digital piece. And I say it's going pretty well so far, but I'm gonna get back to it. But now we're gonna get to the piece that I want to do now, which is some type of anime or maybe just cartoon, something like that. I like doing that, so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get into it. So guys, I have like 4 different sheets of type of paper, like different colors. Don't go off with me in the comments because I don't know the name of these colors. I think I'm gonna go with the lightest because I think it'll look better with what I'm trying to do. So yeah, this one's like, they kind of like cardboard. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna go with the lightest one, which is this. So now guys, I'm gonna show you the markers that I have. Yeah, these are mostly cliff art, Ulu, or however you say it, and a couple of chameleon markers. And they're like skin tone. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so now we're done with the whole drawing. So now we just gotta sign it, put the signature, well my signature, put my signature of course, and then yeah, it'll be done and I'll be giving this away to a lucky person special. Let's sign it.